Let's go see what they got. Colton said he's got a keeper. Oh yeah, that's a nice bluegill.
Can we keep him?
No, throw him back. But he's a nice one. Go catch about 20 more of those.
Then we can start keeping them?
Well, we'll keep the 20. But yeah, that's a nice size one. What are you guys doing?
Here, big chiller. Taking a break from fishing.
Nice. You catch anything yet?
No.
You had some bites though, right?
Got a big bite.
Got what?
I got a big bite.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I got mine stuck in that tree plug. That's how it ended up on the
I don't know. What are you gonna do?
I want to cut the line.
You caught him.
Here, look, I'll grab the line and put him up here.
No, we're not taking him out of the water.
I
That line won't lift him out.
take a picture of him.
Yeah, can you take a picture of him?
I'm videoing it. Got one? Nice. It's a pretty good one. Oh, yeah, I got a bite. Heck yeah, buddy. How many is that for you?
If you count the snapping turtle, 6.
Heck yeah. I think you're out fishing us today. I just had a bite right here too.
Was it a good bite?
It wasn't bad.
I'm really surprised I got that snapping turtle so far up here.
Yeah, he was pretty big.
Yeah.
He'd bite your finger off.
Yeah.
Right, Carson?
Yeah.
How's it going down here? How we doing?
Good?
Everybody getting along?
No.
What are you standing on over there?
What's that one?
What if you fall in? You know how to swim?
Yeah. Yeah.
Better watch out for that snapping turtle.
That's what it really is. Keep a keeper.
You got one? Ooh, that is a nice one.
Keeper?
We're not gonna keep him, but he's not bad.
Would he be a
Now what are you gonna do? That's a nice bluegill.
Yeah.
He'd be like 2 little bites out of that one.
Nah. Let's keep him.
If you clean them and cook them, I'll eat them. Is that a deal?
I'll eat him.
I just had a bite.
If I get a big catfish and I cut him up and cook him, I'm eating it.
Yeah. All right. Man, I'm getting some bites right here.
Big fishy!
Oh, I got another one. Nice.
First fish of your day, Caleb.
Heck yeah. Caleb's on the board.
Have you caught one?
I caught a little crappie.
You're on the board for catching crappie.
That's right.
I'm on the board for catching bluegill. Bye, Val.
Oh man, there's fish down there. Getting some bites.
Good thing you got bait, person. Like, Dad, can you take a picture of my fishies?
Sure.
So I can get them off.
You boys need to wash your mouths.
What? I have no clue what he did to my hook. Carson, I have no clue what this guy did to my hook. Like, what the heck? I don't know. Carson.
What?
Like, where you tie the line at?
Here, buddy, let me take a picture. Nice.
Bye. The bluegill that I caught, if we were to keep them, would we keep them?
If we were to keep them, would we keep them? Is that a trick question?
If we were trying to catch bluegills to keep, would we keep that one?
Yeah, probably.
That's a good bait size. Mine was a good bait.
Got one?
Bluegill.
Alright.
Come on, bluegill. You should start keeping them.
I don't want to clean them all.
Show me how to clean them.
What you got? That's a nice one there. That's probably the best of the day. That's a pretty nice bluegill. There you go. Throw him back. I don't want to mess with him today.
Oh, man.
He's a good one though.
I think this bluegill just peed.
Just what?
Peed.
Maybe.
He just squirted water out of it.
And I got another one down there. You guys are on them. Maybe we should keep them.
I know. I had to throw this one back. He won't stop walking.
We should have brought that cage thing. What? You get him there?
He's like hooked pretty good. In a weird way.
Pop it out of there.
Yeah.
He gone. Should have kept him.
You told me not to keep them. That's not sorted.
Did you lose your hook, Caleb?
Yeah.
What kind of knots are you tying?
I'm tying these knots.
Okay.
Oh, man.
I mean,
That one's for some reason too
I meant on your hook.
Where's my pole? Oh, right there. Carson? I don't think I'm ever gonna get a hook.
Don't leave hooks out here. I want to see him. How big is he?
Keeper?
They're all keepers to you. He's like, we wouldn't get a whole lot of meat out of that, buddy.
I know. Should we keep it?
No. He'd make some good fish tacos, though. I'll say that.
I mean, we're catching a bunch. So why don't we just start keeping them?
Because that means I have to clean a bunch. Colton's got one down there.
Trying one.
That a little guy?
Yeah.
What is that, minnow?
No. It's a really, really small bluegill.
Nice. Yeah.
Do like.
Do you need help tying that? What kind of knots do you tie? Can't tie a knot, tie a lot. Is that what you do?
You know what a spider that is?
No. You?
No. I never saw one. It has a white and black striped leg and like a kind of like skinny body. Carson, there's a spider I was talking about. I can't see anything.
Here you go. Trim that little tag off there. You might want to adjust your bobber a little bit too, if you want to. Why don't you guys spread out a little bit?
We're cooking like that.
Caleb, your line's all tangled up, buddy. That's your reel. Look at your reel. Did you get your hook out?
No.
Cut it off?
No, it just fell off.
Okay.
Well, I tried to get it out and it came off.
Well, that works. Is that where you've been catching them, Carson?
Right under those leaves. This is where I'm getting bites and then start reeling, and then they just not there, and then they and then I leave my bobber there, and I keep getting bites. So mostly everywhere.
Nice.
But this is where I've gotten the most bites. We'll name him Jerry. Yeah. There's one at Jerry's house that we named Snappy.
Yeah?
He's like, he was way bigger than that one. 4 times
Yep.
the size of that
Damn
one.
it. Yeah, there's some big ones in that pond.
Oh, you got one?
Look at that.
Yeah! Yay!
Two,
Keeper!
two fish.
Got him! That's a keeper.
Little crappie.
Yeah, that would be a good chicken nugget.
That's barely even a chicken nugget. He's a little guy. I'll catch him again.
Yay! Then keep him. Good. You keep him. I saw him go down and then swim this way.
Which way?
He went like this.
Right back to where I'm fishing.
He might have just ran into the dock.
Hot as it is.
Yeah, probably.
Got one, bud? Nice.
12.
12?
Oh yeah, maybe 13. I think it's 12.
So many you lost count, huh?
Yeah, mine's around. Carson, stop looking away right when you get a bite.
Got one? Well, that might be a nice one. Oh, get him up here, get him up.
That's a nice one.
That might be the biggest one of the day.
What about the snapping turtle?
Yeah, salmon turtle's pretty big.
The snapping turtle's the biggest one of the day.
You need help, Carson?
Yeah. Nope.
You got him?
He's like, nope. He's like, yeah, nope, nope, yeah, nope, nope. Yeah. He's like, nope. Bro, what kind of...
Oh, he swallowed it.
No, he didn't. The hook's hanging out of his mouth.
It's not swallow it. Rip it out. Let's pull that off.
Can you get it, bud? There you go. My man. That was a good one, buddy. Got one.
I know.
Dude, there's a ton of bluegill down there.
That's another keeper.
Ah! I don't know if that's a keeper or not, buddy.
That's 7. No, that's my 18.
That's a pretty.
If you say
You want that's how big it
start
is.
keeping them, I'm gonna put mine on my rig up my pole and start fishing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I saw that. A little brown one. That's pretty cool. Try over there by those branches that are kind of in the water. Ooh. Darn. Sorry, buddy. What do you guys want to do? What are you eating? Seeds?
Mm-hmm. Stay inside your toilet.
Daddy messed him up.
What?
Told him to cast over by some trees. Got snagged. Looks like you might get rained on soon. Check the radar. Thunderstorms likely around 2 p.m. It's 1:43.
Okay. Let's stay in until I catch my 20th. We're gonna walk in. Rig one up real quick.
Can you use your pole?
I'm dead.
Yeah, it's gonna rain.
Like soon? Really soon?
I'd say within 20 minutes, maybe 30.
I got poked twice trying to cut that thing off, like that extra line. And I didn't even get the extra line cut off.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Wow.
What'd you get poked by?
The hook.
How'd you do that?
I don't know.
It's weird.
I gotta catch this.
That's the one right there.
Mm-hmm. Uncooked. I kind of want it to rain.
Why?
Because it's hot out here.
It is hot.
Is that it? That's it.
Got him.
And it's a tiny one.
Number 20.
You still got your worm?
I think it flew off. Oh, it flew off over here.
You wanna eat it?
Yep, set it on the ground. I'll use it again. Try to catch 21.
Why'd you do that, Caleb?
Mm.
Don't do that next time, please.
Still, Fishy gets a free snack.
20 fish. Good job, buddy.
Fishy gets a free snack. Bye.
Colton, can you grab those worms down there? Thank you. And the bag.
Now we're dipping.
Caleb, go ahead and get your fishing pole. Anything that's yours. Gatorade.
Fish?
It's there!
What's the other one doing?
They don't seem to care about us.
I mean, they're babies, so I don't really mind.
Oh, I think they see us now. Which way are they gonna go? They don't know where they're gonna go.
Should I chase them?
No.
Caleb, wait.
What? Let's see how close they approach. See if you can pet one.
Be careful.
They're babies. They're probably nice.
All right. Caleb. Guys are goofy.
They went bye-bye.
Yeah, I was pretty close to them. Not as close as the one that was running through here. I was standing right here, and that guy was right up against the bushes.
Mm-hmm.